Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to enable always on display in your Android phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to lock screen and AOD option. After that go to always on display. Now by tapping here you can enable always on display and it's enabled. Now if you go to when to show option, now here you can see 4 options. Always tap to show as schedule and for new notifications, and you can choose any option as you want. Now if you select always from here, then your always on display is showing always. Also if you select tap to show, now if I lock my device, now if you tap on screen and you can see your always on display is showing now. Also if you go to same settings again, then tap on as schedule, you can also set schedule from here and you can set any time as you want. Now if you go back, you can also show or hide your music information from here. And that is how you can enable always on display in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.